Yes, sir. Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is the install of my JLT Series 2 Performance Cold Air Intake. But if this is your first time on my channel, man, subscribe, hit the like button. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. I'll turn this camera back on once we reach the shop. Let's go. Alright, fam, there's a look at that stock exhaust that's coming out. Alright, fam, now that we got the JLT cold air intake installed, let's take a look and let's take a listen, I should say. Let's take a listen and see how she sounds. Man, oh my goodness, man. The throttle response is just so much better. It's in sports mode, of course. It is really responding to the throttle, and the sound sounds really good with all the extra air. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, comment below, you know, if you got a JLT, what kind of performance increases did you find once you installed your cold air intake, the Series 2? You know, let me know. You know, did you see any performance increases? Was the throttle response better? You know, comment below, man. Let me know when you installed yours, what did you see? One thing I want to monitor over the next couple of days is the temps to see, since it's getting more air. And again, let's take another listen, man. Absolutely amazing. Alright, fam, I'm gonna stop talking, man. Just let you enjoy the view and the sound. Alright, I'm not gonna make this video too long, man. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, so this video will circulate, comment. To the next video, peace and blessings.